ayan mga kachoy, ito na po yung aking last day dito sa Bandol. Ayan, dahil mag-back to work na po ako sa Manila. Ayan, si Austin, yatid po ako ni Austin. So ayan, sakay na po tayo. Mga kachoy, nandito na tayo ngayon sa airport at kasama ko nga po si Austin at hinatid niya na lang po ako mga kachoy. So ito na po yung moment na magkakahiwalay na kami. Mga kachoy, nandito tayo sa loob. Punta tayo sa departure, kuha tayo ng boarding pass. So ayan mga kachoy, nakuha na po natin yung ating boarding pass ticket. Ating ticket pa aeroplano. So ayun mga kachoy, sobrang nakakasad moment kanina. Si Austin uwi na walang kasama, sa bahay na lang siya. So ito na po yung ating ticket mga kachoy. Seat mo tayo. Anong 41K.
31.
Okay.
Okay.
Windows.
So ayan mga ka-choy, nakasakay na tayo.
Mabuhay, welcome on board. This is flight PRN 2P2939 bound for Manila. If you're bound to other destination,
If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. Again, welcome on board Philippine Airlines.
So ayan mga ka-choy, nandito na kami.
Thank you.